Happy Monday, everybody. Let's do a pre-market review. Going forward, I'll be doing this review for members only, and I will be releasing an end-of-day update. There's a Discord group in the description of this video. Feel free to join. It's free to join, and there are a lot of other traders. You can talk to them also. Anyhow, US 500 futures, they're in buy zone. You can see those who are new. Red lines are resistance lines, green lines are buy lines, which is support line, and white line is neutral line. So whenever price action goes in green lines, most of the times I'm looking for a bounce, and whenever price action goes in the red lines, I'm looking for a sell-off. So basically, usually price just stays between red and green lines, and that's what I'm expecting now. So again, you can see where we are now. Future, this is S&P 500 futures, US 500. They are in green line, so basically near. These are 3 standard deviation. They are near first standard deviation, so it's a good time to buy here. And I think we could get a bounce. Let's see how much we get, but we can get bounce up to minimum this neutral line, which is around 44.69. We can even go as high as 44.85. So that's like 0.75% bounce possible. Okay, Nasdaq 100, which is Nasdaq futures. Again, it's in the buy zone right now. The levels are 15, let's say 15,200 and below, and it's there where it is right now, and it can also bounce from here. Today's session at minimum neutral line 0.5% around 15,279, and as well as it can go 1.05% 15,362. Okay, and Dow Jones, this is also now bouncing from the buy zone, still near buy zone. The levels are 34,596, and it can still go. So basically, all the indices are in the buy zone. US 2000 is a bit bullish, near neutral zone, but you can see how it's also behaving same as other indices. It was in buy zone, and then bounced to neutral zone, and even before it was in sell zone and came to the buy zone. So basically, it's just ping pong between buy zones and sell zones. So you can see the level here, 1844 and below. Look to buy US 500, US 2000, sorry, Dow Jones. Russell 2000. Triple Qs, cash market near the buy zones. Anything below 370.6 is a good buy. It's sitting right now around 369.5. And let's look at S&P 500 SPY ETF. It's sitting at around 443.02. Okay, so again, I think it's a good level to buy for a bounce. Gold, it was very bullish on Friday. Now a little bit of cool down. Looking for it to come all the way down to 1916. Silver in the middle line, so nothing much here. Natural gas, let's see, very close to the buy zone. So if it falls below 2.79 and below, look to buy. Also, there are 2023 futures for natural gas. Let's see if they are different. Yeah. So 2.617 below, look to buy natural gas on those. Crude oil, again, bullish move, but now in the sell zone. So this is where you should be looking to take profits. Dollar index DXY is also near sell zone, so which is good for Bitcoin and gold, because I think dollar is going to sell off because getting closer to sell zone, and then Bitcoin and gold should go higher. Bitcoin massive move up. Sorry, it's unbelievable move, more than 3% up. Could be some news there, but it's above third standard deviation, so good time to take profits after this massive move. And I was telling everybody, if I go to daily chart, let me hide these. Give me a second, guys. Yeah, sorry, I was telling on daily chart, you can see I was telling green line here, green dot, and then green line is above red line. So I have no issues of, I have no indication of a dump. So now Bitcoin is, since that time, since I got green line, since Bitcoin is already up almost 10%. All right. Ethereum is same thing, green dot, and then green line is above red line. So everything is good. And yeah, short term, it looks like it's oversold. So good time to take profits on Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right. Apple, let's look at in neutral zone. Tesla pre-market near buy zone 269 and below, look to buy. Microsoft is already in buy zone. Google in the neutral zone. Meta in the buy zone. Also, this gap fill is going to be filled 28.61. Amazon coming closer to 138.32 gap fill. Netflix also in the gap fill zone. Snowflakes near the gap fill. NVDA already in the near third standard deviation. Very good time to buy. AMD also near third standard deviation. Let's look at the Hang Seng Index, China, also near buy zone. You can see these green lines. The stock which are getting closer to green lines is the nice buy zones. Copper getting closer to buy zone as well, 3.78 and below. Palladium still a bit far, 12.21 and below, look to buy. Wheat Still far 569.1 and below look to buy. Wheat, corn also 4.75 and below look to buy. Soya beans already in the buy zone. Sugar bouncing now, so it's a bit higher. Let's look at gold miners. They are in the sell zone, so you should be looking to take profits in gold miners. Sector wise, XLK in the buy zone. You can see here right now XLE, it's bouncing. XLV, healthcare in the buy zone. Utilities higher. Industrial a little bit higher, 4.21 and below look to buy. XLRE in the sell zone. XLF financials in the middle. KRE regional bank ETF also in the middle. Let's see stocks pre-market. Shopify nearby zone 61.78. PayPal bounce, nothing nearby zone. Let's see if anything sold off heavily pre-market. This one, TELUS still higher. Let's see if there's anything else. Baba, Chinese stocks. Baba is in the buy zone. You can see near second standard deviation. Baidu in second standard deviation. MCHI bouncing now, very close to the buy zone. And let's see if anything else in growth stocks. Riet up 5.6%. Nikola up. Let's see, TTD. It's in the buy zone. Palantir in the buy zone. Target still higher. Zoom is still higher. Okay, guys, so yeah, market looks like, again, it's in the buy zone as far as I'm concerned. So this is not the time to short. I think I will be looking to go long, and this is a great time to buy. Good luck, guys, for the trade.